Hey guys, Glen Affiliate Profit Pages. This is Banklify review tutorial demo, and I'm going to give you some really cool things you can do with this software because you're gonna see why I love these kind of programs. They don't come around enough, I think, because these are really important, really cool programs, and you get them for dirt cheap. You set them up, you forget about them, and for me, they just make money. Disclaimer: don't know if you're going to make any money, but if you do put this thing into action, there's a good chance you will make commissions. All right. First off, make sure you subscribe if you like videos like this. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go look at my bonus page because I put some killer bonuses together. And guess what, guys? I'm just thinking about it. I don't want a barrier for this, so I'm gonna load in some more bonuses for you, to make sure that you get this program, but you have to put it into use because I just it's such a great thing. Like I got a program like this when I started out years ago, and it did so much for my blog because it was very similar to this, different but similar. It did so much for me, and it made me be able to promote a whole bunch of items, and it's still, that blog still makes me money today, which is really, really cool. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go through the bonus page that I'm going to show you, and then we're going to go through a demo video, and then we're going to go through the sales page, and then we're going to go right into the back office. We'll look around with it, and then we're going to actually talk about the upsells on it, and then I'm going to give you some really best practices with it. So you want to stick around to the end. And if you already have been searching around, you just want to see what my bonuses are, the link is below. You can click that and we'll show you on the bonus page here. Share my screen. So this is the bonus page, guys. The bonuses we're throwing out there today. Number one, how to rank your YouTube video. If you check my YouTube videos lately, guys, my views were going through the roof. What I'm doing is working, and this has helped me so much. Number two, how to create a professional affiliate campaign from A to Z. This is amazing training. If you're new to the game, this is awesome. If you've been around for a while and you're not having success, go back and revisit this course. Very, very helpful. VidChomper, this is Brandon Mace's. I own this. I've owned it for years. It's a great little handy tool for cutting little videos if you need them really quickly. And Jonah Armstrong's YouTube ads course, which is, if you don't know who Jonah Armstrong is, stick around because you'll learn about him. If you're in the make money online niche, then you probably heard of Jonah Armstrong. And then there's a ton of bonuses, guys. There's the regular vendor bonuses and there's exclusive bonuses, and I've got all of those for you. And guess what? I'm going to put some more bonuses right here under this, just because like I said, I want you guys to be able to get this, and I'm just going to give you so much value in it so that the cost of just picking up the front end, you're going to get all this value and be like practically picking it up for free. And if you totally don't want anything, don't go away empty-handed. Come down here, click on the 6-figure blueprint checklist. This is totally free. Grab it. And this is exactly what I use to make residual income every single day. All right, let's go over and watch that video. Let me jump back on here. And we're going to watch the demo video. And then we're going to go through the sales page and the OTOs and all that stuff. Make sure you hit subscribe, and I'll see you in a minute. All right, guys. Now, if you're not sure what you're watching there, that is making an affiliate website in 60 seconds. And that's why I love this software. It's like there's no barrier for getting started. You really just kind of click, and it's cool because this stuff is hosted on their site as well. I do believe, I haven't looked into it, but I think you can download it and put it on your own site, or you can add your own domain. I'm pretty sure of that. So but we'll go through and look at that. What I saw though in the back office that it was domain host on their domain, but it doesn't matter because you're going to point traffic to it, and then you're able to add advertising script. There's really cool stuff. Okay, so let's jump over to the sales page, and here we are on the sales page here. And would you like to become the next ClickBank super affiliate? Push button app gets you free buyer traffic and automatically creates done for you ClickBank money sites loaded with pre-approved affiliate offers. So guys, what you're seeing there, what's really cool, if you saw that campaign stuff, you're able to go out and put videos on, like little, like 30-second, 60-second videos on YouTube, and drive traffic to that page. And people like, they're looking, they want to consume, right? They're looking for information. So they're going to the page to find information, and boom, what they're looking for, the thing that solves their problem, is right there, and they can just click a link and it takes them through to an affiliate product, and you get paid. So you're going to see a lot of some good sales marketing stuff on here. Enjoy passive commissions from the hottest offers on ClickBank. Love that. Auto create a done for you ClickBank website, 100% automatic content, optimized to rank on #1 on Google at the press of a button. So it's got RSS feeds, which are really simple syndicate feeds of current stuff coming in. So your website's getting loaded with current stuff that people are looking for. Free domain, blazing fast hosting included, free commercial license included, one-click traffic getting content creation tool, 100% done for you, unique ClickBank affiliate sites, web-based app, so there's nothing to install, automatically get approval for all affiliates you promote, and you get 30-day money back guaranteed. So right now, guys, it's $17, but let's see if I believe you can pick it up for 13. I think it's $4 off if you go to scroll off the page, and you can pick up the front end. So step four steps: choose a site website or a site template, enter your keywords to fetch a unique keyword, right? Oh, did my screen freeze there? Yeah, it did. Come on, come on. There we go. Step 3, input your ClickBank ID just like in the video. And step 4, auto rank your site to #1 on Google. So this sales page doesn't seem to be liking my computer too much, guys. So you can go through and read through that, but let's jump over to the actual site itself. And basically, it's what you saw in the back office. It's really simple, right? You just manage websites, manage campaigns, manage articles. It's got a ton of information in here. Inline keyword. I don't know if you saw what that means. That inline keyword. So look at these, just tons of articles, tons and tons of articles, guys. Um, Inline keyword is really cool. So whenever you're on a blog site and you're reading some information, so let's say you're trying to fix your lower back, right? And you've got lower back issues, and it's an article that's telling you, well, actually, if you flex this one muscle in your back, it's going to stop all your lower back pain, right? But every time the word back pain comes up, or lower back, or something that's going to resonate with them, like it's clicking with their brain because that's what they're trying to solve. If that's, you can make that a link, right? So if you go, and the easiest way to solve back pain, and maybe like the minute back pain is hyperlinked, well, they click on that, boom, they're taken to an affiliate offer that's going to solve their back pain problem. That's why I love this stuff, guys. These are the campaign listings. Where's that? Inline keyword listing. Yeah, very, very cool. Anyways, super easy to use. Now, what do we got here? This is just one of the sites that was made, guys. It's so fast. It's so amazingly fast. And then it's got some. This is going to be an Amazon. This is probably someone either put an Amazon link in there, or it's AdSense. Look, it's got a leave a message thing so they can contact you, which is really cool. These are really popular, guys. They work really well. It's got articles, and then of course it's got anywhere that there's a place that they can link through to buy a product, guys, it's gonna have your affiliate link on it. So very, very cool stuff. And I think that's it. Oh, there's another one. There was the weight loss one. Mediterranean diet cookbook. Boom. If they click that, let's see if it's hooked up. They click on it, and it's going to the post. Guys, the site doesn't load this slowly. It's my computer when I'm doing a video. It just takes time to do it. Mediterranean cookbook for beginners. And then say goodbye to fat. So I'm thinking, where's the link on that one? So the link isn't put in there yet. So, but this I'm sure is going to take us to another article. So the link, it doesn't look like they've set up the links on here, guys. So that would just be, but anyways, this takes forever to load. All right. So what do I think about this? As you can tell, I already really like it. Now, why I really like this guy. Oh, now the page loads. Guys, just so you know, it's not like I said, it's not a slow server. It's whenever I'm using my recording software, for some reason it hates going on one line, and I should change it, but I just really like the software, so it's the way it is. So why do I love this? Because you can bang out these sites, guys, and like literally every day get up and run a little campaign. Go send out, go find an article or go find something, right? And then point to the article or point to like share the article onto your site, and then basically point to the article and say, hey, this is what I found. So you're not really, all you're doing is providing information for people, and around that information is your affiliate link. It's the easiest way to do it. And then if you want to run paid ads, whatever you want to do, and you can do as many as you want. So let's go over and see what the cost is, and then we'll talk about what the upsells are. Okay, so on my page here, you'll see this on the bonus page, guys, and you can click this link right below. So front end is $14, so it's $3 off, it looks like, from the $17. Build and set and forget ClickBank sites, so nothing to download and install, it's all in the cloud. So here's the first upsell, and I always say this, guys, if you can get the unlimited and the done for you is always the best thing to buy when you're buying these softwares. Get the unlimited and the done for you, because that way there's no excuses for you to have any learning curve to learn it. It's unlimited, so you can make it as many as you want, and their support staff is going to set it up for you. So it's just going to be all done for you, and then you get it all put together. You know, instead of going and buying the big IKEA thing, you have to put it all together. It comes assembled. You sit down, you eat dinner. All right, so do they have a done for you here? There it is. Banklify done for you service. Okay, so I'd get the upsell number 1. Now, number 2, advanced. Unlock Banklify worldwide module. Oh, so you can build a site in any language. That is cool. So guys, you could go on and do Fiverr, Upwork, and build sites for each other, affiliate sites for people, or you could build weight loss sites and put your affiliate links in it. Like if they're just wanting a website, right? Then you could put your links in it. Might be a little bit unscrupulous, but or tell them, hey, become an affiliate. They'll love you for it. They'll come back to you for more. Traffic Academy, access our premium Traffic Academy, which will show you all free traffic methods to 10x sales for $67. That sounds like a pretty cool upgrade. And then the Banklify done for you service, $67, guys. Absolutely worth it. Get their team to build it for you. Create and sell Banklify accounts for your service. So 100 licenses is $47. Now, I sometimes buy these because I think I'm going to sell them, and I actually don't end up selling any licenses, guys. So unless you're really focused on agency or something like that, then I don't know if this upsell is really that important. Just so you know, give me a thumbs up for that one, guys. And then upsell the reseller. Sell Banklify and keep your profit. So you would become a 100% reseller. No actual work, unique software and training, 100% newbie friendly, proven profitable over and over, works in a niche, works right now, all the traffic is built in. Love it, guys. So that is, and I will tell you what I did with a software very similar to this. When I first started, when I first found ClickBank and really started promoting ClickBank, I can't remember the name of the software, but what it did, it basically built review blog posts for your blog. Similar to this, you could add you could add 3 ads throughout the article. So one at the top, one in the middle, one at the bottom. So you have your 3 main programs there. It had your affiliate link in it. So it would be a review of the product and your affiliate link would be in there, which is really cool. What I did, and this still today, is each time I'd let a blog go up like every 3 or 4 days on a site. So I'd load up the blog. If I had time, I'd go in and kind of reword it a bit, but I wasn't really worried about it because I wasn't worried about driving Google traffic. I was driving social media traffic to it. So it didn't really matter if it was ranking or not. So what I would do is that I would, once the blog went up, I would make a Twitter post and then I would automate that. And that tweet would go out every 10 days. It would go on my Twitter account again. So it would always be like, hey, you want to learn about, the smoothie diet, right? Boom, it would go on my Twitter. It still does that because I have a system that keeps posting those tweets. So every 10 days a tweet comes up and I can see like my ClickBank will go like hundreds and hundreds of hops on a certain day because they'll all end up, there'll be a bunch of tweets that have stuff and then hundreds and hundreds of hops, sales. I'm like, oh, cool, those ones hit. And so I'm still using that system today. So this same thing, guys, build a site around around weight loss, spend a week making Twitter posts or Instagram posts or Facebook posts. Why I like Twitter is that you can really reuse your content a lot on Twitter, whereas Instagram, you have to wait a long time to use your content again. Facebook really doesn't like duplicate content, although you can, like every month, have it post again. I'm not a big Facebook fan, but anyways, Instagram and Twitter. So that's how I would use this, guys. So hopefully give me a thumbs up for that. That's the discounts. I'm going to go now. I'm going to post this video up. I'm going to go add some more bonuses for you because I really want to make sure that you get this. And again, if you don't want it, go pick up my 6-figure blueprint. Get on my list, watch for my emails. A really cool thing is this is, and if you guys want to get emails from marketers and you don't want them to end up in spam or promotions or whatever, what you need to do is when you get the first email, you want to take them and you want to drag them into your primary tab if you're in Gmail, or drag them into your updates. Don't let them go into promotions. And if they are in promotions, drag them over to the in tab. The other thing is hover over the name and add to contacts. And that tells Google that you want to get emails from that person. Now you can always unsubscribe. Good marketers will have an unsubscribe button. So if you get tired of the emails and you're just like, then you just hit unsubscribe. But I really try to send out relevant. I might have some teaser headlines, some subject lines that you want to open up, but I really try to send out products that are working for people, popular products that people are buying that are working for people. And those are the products I send out. I don't send out stuff that's like got a ton of refunds and I don't do that. I go look for stuff that's like people are buying, low refund rate, and people are making money. And that's the kind of stuff that I send out. So, and I send out training and all that good stuff. So, all right, now we're done. That has been Banklify review, tutorial, demo. Definitely recommend picking it up. Pick it up just for my bonuses. And one more thing, hit subscribe. And I think that's it. Oh, and you know what? If you're interested in learning more about marketing and other business online, check out some of the links below. Those are the tools and the businesses that I promote, and I do this full time. So just saying. All right, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Again, this has been Banklify review, demo, tutorial, walkthrough, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.